सब्सक्राइब कीजिए डेली ट्रेंडिंग न्यूज चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट न्यूज सबसे पहले पाने के लिए।
To Vikram and Anurag at the center, third,
Yeah,
fourth row. Yeah. Do you think we can make a movie like an Avengers at some point? And
you know what? If you just look at the kind of money our movies make, if you put together all the money all the movies make together, that's less than the budget of Avengers. Be real a little bit.
and
You know what? If you just look at the kind of money our movies make, put together all the money all the movies make together, that's less than the budget of Avengers. Be real a little bit.
I think in terms of thought, I think if you look at what Bahubali's box office is versus what Avengers box office is, there's a comparison only when you actually take into account the currency value. Yes, Bahubali is huge, but also you actually look
Currency
at the fact
value and the language lends itself to a much larger audience. It's like how Hindi lends itself to a much larger audience. In India, English lends itself to a much larger audience across the world. And that is also what makes a difference to what you can attempt and you can't attempt. It doesn't mean that the various countries, Italy made a film called They Call Me Jeeg. It's a very low budget take on a superhero film. You go to Russia, they made a superhero film. Based on the amount of money they make with those kind of special effects, which you'll look at it and you'll compare it to Avengers and you'll say it's substandard. But based on their market, they go out and attempt things. So everything is dependent a lot also on other factors.
But we have to. I'm saying at the end of the day, I think that we
will
have
do
to
it
make
one
those
day.
kind of films because people are, I mean, we want to see big screen spectacles. We all want to see big screen spectacles. We want to see movies that give us the value for money where we like walk out and saying, wow. That wow is a factor. We were wowed by Bahubali, we were also wowed by Avengers. There is wow in both of them. It's just there's a slight difference in terms of the quality of that. But we'll get there, I think.
Which is also answering that question, why Doga could not be made. The ambition with the film, the kind of money we were getting and the kind of things we wanted to do. We didn't want to do a substandard work.